Immune system naturally. A strong immune system is crucial for overall health, helping to defend the body against infections, diseases, and other harmful invaders. In today's fast-paced world, where stress, pollution, and poor lifestyle choices are prevalent, keeping the immune system in top shape has never been more important. Fortunately, there are many natural ways to strengthen immunity, from adopting a nutrient-rich diet to engaging in regular exercise and managing stress effectively. 1. Adopt a nutrient-rich diet. Diet plays a significant role in immune function. The right foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that enhance immune response and protect against pathogens. A. Increase vitamin C intake. Vitamin C is one of the most well-known immune boosters. It enhances the production of white blood cells, which help fight infections. Foods rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits, bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, spinach. B. Ensure sufficient vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in immune modulation and reducing inflammation. Natural sources include sunlight exposure, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, egg yolks, fortified dairy products. C. Eat zinc-rich foods. Zinc is essential for immune cell function and inflammatory response. Excellent sources of zinc include nuts and seeds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, almonds, shellfish, oysters, crab, shrimp, beans and lentils, dairy products. D. Consume antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants protect the immune system by reducing oxidative stress. Some of the best sources include berries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, dark chocolate, green tea, nuts and seeds. 2. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and immune function. Water helps flush out toxins, supports lymphatic circulation, and ensures optimal cellular function. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Herbal teas, coconut water, and homemade broths are also excellent hydration sources. 3. Get sufficient sleep. Sleep is a vital component of a strong immune system. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates immune cells. Lack of sleep can weaken immune defenses, making one more susceptible to infections. To improve sleep quality, aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screen exposure at least 1 hour before bedtime. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, e.g., reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. 4. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity enhances immune function by promoting circulation, reducing inflammation, and increasing the production of antibodies. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Beneficial exercises include walking or jogging, strength training, yoga and stretching, swimming. 5. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can suppress immune function by increasing the production of cortisol, a stress hormone that weakens the immune response. To manage stress effectively, practice meditation and mindfulness. Engage in deep breathing exercises. Spend time in nature. Engage in hobbies and activities that bring joy. 6. Maintain a healthy gut. The gut microbiome plays a crucial role in immune health. A balanced gut flora enhances immunity and prevents harmful pathogens from taking over. To support gut health, consume probiotic-rich foods, yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso. Eat prebiotic foods, garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus. Avoid excessive intake of processed foods and artificial sweeteners. 7. Avoid harmful habits. Certain lifestyle habits can weaken the immune system, making one more vulnerable to illnesses. To protect immunity, avoid smoking, as it weakens lung immunity and increases the risk of respiratory infections. Limit alcohol consumption, as excessive intake can suppress immune function. Reduce sugar intake, as high sugar consumption can impair immune response. 8. Practice good hygiene. Good hygiene practices prevent the spread of infections and help keep the immune system in optimal condition. Important hygiene habits include washing hands frequently with soap and water, keeping personal items clean, toothbrushes, towels, mobile phones, avoiding close contact with sick individuals. 9. Spend time outdoors. Exposure to fresh air and sunlight is beneficial for immune health. Sunlight helps the body synthesize vitamin D, which plays a vital role in immune function. Spending time in nature also reduces stress levels and improves overall well-being. 10. Herbal and natural supplements. Certain herbs and natural supplements have immune-boosting properties. Some of the most effective options include Echinacea enhances immune response and reduces the severity of colds. Garlic has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and fights infections. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory effects. Elderberry supports immune function and helps fight viral infections. Conclusion: boosting the immune system naturally requires a holistic approach, including a healthy diet, regular exercise, proper sleep, stress management, and good hygiene. By incorporating these habits into daily life, one can significantly improve overall health and resilience against infections. A strong immune system not only helps fight diseases but also enhances energy levels and overall well-being.